In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can add your TikTok link on your Instagram profile. So you want to go to your profile on TikTok, and you do that by tapping on the me icon on the bottom right. Once you're on your profile, you want to tap on the three dots at the top right, and then you see an option that says share profile. Tap on share profile, and then you want to go ahead and tap on, in the middle it says copy link. Tap on copy link. That's going to copy your TikTok profile link to the clipboard. And then you can go onto Instagram, and you want to go ahead and go to your profile by tapping on your profile icon on the bottom right. And then you want to tap on edit profile. And then you can see it says website. It has an option for website. You want to go ahead and then hold down and then paste your TikTok profile link into the website section, and then tap on the check mark at the top right. That's going to add your TikTok profile link to your Instagram bio, and you can see I have the arrows pointing down, and then it has my TikTok profile. If I tap on it, it's going to take me to my TikTok profile, and then you can obviously open the app and use it from there. So that is how you add your TikTok link to your Instagram bio. If you got some value out of this video, then I would appreciate it if you smash that like button and consider subscribing, because I'm uploading how-to videos about social media and your favorite apps every single day. So with that being said, I'll see you in my next video.